Our first deal came during Hurricane Harvey. We had gone 9 hard months of door knocking, direct mail, putting out bandit signs, and we got nothing. Then August 2017, Hurricane Harvey hit and our phones started ringing. First deal was a flood house. We went into it nervous as hell, but we got through it. We spent 8 total hours with that seller. Locked that deal up, got it moved. It was a 40 grand deal. We're off to the races from there. Word to the wise, never give up, keep going at it. All it takes is one deal to change your life, just one.